In this video, we're going to look at comparing between StringBuffer and StringBuilder, right? So we know string class has a method that we use. StringBuilder has something that we can use as well as StringBuffer, other methods that we don't have in string. We can use this. StringBuffer and StringBuilder pretty much has all the same methods, and they pretty much do the same thing. See, StringBuilder construct a StringBuilder who has a capacity of 16 characters, as well as the StringBuffer constructor has the caps as 16 characters. And the rest is pretty much the same. Like, for example, let's go look at capacity, return the current capacity. So StringBuilder also capacity returns the current of capacity. Same code point at, right? Char at. Okay. So what's the difference then? They have exactly the same methods. So the difference is if you use StringBuffer, it is a thread safe. What's thread? I am using thread here. Look, I have multiple windows opened. I have Word document opened. These are different threads. Okay. So what happens if I try to open the same file at the same time to replace old word with a new word? With open, use doc, Word doc, and Notepad and TextPad, but they're all the same file. It's going to be crash or not thread safe. So that's why if you plan to do that, StringBuffer will make it lock, or we have the word synchronize. It will make sure that when you have multiple applications try to open the same file at the same time, it will be correct output. So that's why we use StringBuffer instead of StringBuilder. Okay, but StringBuilder is faster to use in most implementations that not requiring thread. If you have just one application running, not sharing the resources, then you better use StringBuilder because it's faster. But it's no guarantee of synchronization, because synchronization meaning that if one program changes the file, another program changes the file in the same file, then it's going to synchronize to make it thread safe, right? But this one, you may be off. It's not going to be correct. Okay, so you are the one who consider what type of application you're going to use. Is it going to be sharing? If it's sharing, that means you better use StringBuffer for thread safe. If you care about capacity and faster, less memory, then you have to do StringBuilder. Okay, but the rest is pretty much the same. So in your assignment, just pretty much just try to use both of this, right? Just create both of them and use other method. You will see it's the same, but one is thread safe, one is not. If you want to, you can just further create multiple applications and try to call, and you have to write a thread, which you have to do run, and we were talking about it a little bit when we tried to do JavaFX pop-up location, right, in the middle of the screen, and we have to get the value of width and height first. We have to use thread to do run. So that's a little bit make it get the value before, which is beyond the scope at this point, but you can further do that and test. And this should be it for the different.